Hi, this is Nolan from Bench-Mark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take static data while at the same time performing RTK corrections. So to begin here, I'm just going to make sure that I'm connected to the Wi-Fi network that's put out by my receiver. You can see that I've got a Wi-Fi network that I'm connected to here that matches the serial number on my receiver. So once that's done, I'm just going to go to my web browser of choice here, and I'm going to enter the following URL into my address bar. 192.168.10.1, and then I'm going to hit enter and load the page. And when I do that, it's going to prompt me to enter a username and password for the receivers. The username is admin, all lowercase, while the password is S321, again, all lowercase. And once I've entered that information, I'm just going to log in here. So once I log in here, it's just going to bring up my main screen here that gives me all the information that's relevant to the receiver. So in order to take static data at the same time as I'm either broadcasting as my base or using my rover, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go to the settings there in the top right corner. That's going to bring up my settings menu, and as you can see here, I got a system mode, my current data link, cutoff angle, all my information relevant to the satellites that I want to use in my solutions, that kind of thing. So once I scroll down past RTK timeout here, you can see I have an option for Athena Log. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to turn that from no to yes. That's going to bring up my Athena Log options here, to which I can give names, I can give my antenna height, my PDOP threshold, my interval, and in this case, I have my interval set to 15 seconds. And I'm actually going to change that to something that's a bit quicker than that. So let's just say, I don't know, 1 hertz for this example. And then I'm going to hit save there to save this change. And when I come back to my main screen here, you can see next to system mode that instead of saying rover, it now also says recording. So it automatically has started to take static data. And I'm just going to let that run for a minute here so I can get my information. So now that I've recorded for a minute, I'm just going to hit stop record. And then to save the point onto my data collector here, or if you're using a computer or you need to do it later at the office, you're going to want to go to this download tab here. And then you can just download the file like you would any other file from a browser, and you're ready to go. You've collected your static data while you were performing your survey. And that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's videos, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel or website, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. or visit us on the web at Bench-Mark.ca.